This package, which is so important for our economy at this pivotal time, was the product of hard negotiations.
يمكن احنا كان تركيزنا الأكبر على القضية الفلسطينية لأنها قضية محورية.
We have perhaps focused greatly on the Palestinian issue because it's the pivotal issue.
The next 12 months could be pivotal in determining whether this compact will be strengthened or will slowly dissolve. Among those who served in those pivotal days was a scout with the 1st Cavalry Division, Specialist Matt Seidel. Egypt has played a pivotal role in human history for over 6,000 years.
We are at a pivotal turning point.
Given the pivotal period that we're entering, I felt that it was absolutely critical that we had this team in place so that we can stay focused on our missions, maintain our momentum. Today, after a difficult decade that began with war and ended in recession, our nations have arrived at a pivotal moment once more. In 3 pivotal deployments to Iraq, he commanded the troops that captured Saddam Hussein, partnered with General Petraeus to help bring down the violence, and then transferred responsibility to Iraqi forces, allowing us to remove some 100,000 American troops and end our combat mission. As we move forward from this pivotal phase, the opposition should continue to take important steps to bring about a transition that is peaceful, inclusive, and just.
Today is a pivotal moment.
Given its pivotal role as a major funder of the nation's fundamental scientific enterprise, NSF bears responsibility to help workplaces creatively enable scientists and engineers to meet career and family demands.
Our alliance will continue to play a pivotal role in overcoming the many global challenges that we face today.
And just as our greatest generation left a country recovering from depression and returned home to build the largest middle class in history, so now will the 9/11 generation play a pivotal role in rebuilding America's opportunity and prosperity in the 21st century.
In our communities and rebuilding on this recovery, they want to deploy their skills and energies to.
I'm also here because after more than a decade of war, we're at a pivotal moment. Now, because of their profound sacrifice, because of the progress that they have made, we're in a pivotal moment. 2014, therefore, is a pivotal year. A reporter remembers Ben Bradley standing in the Post newsroom watching Tom Brokaw at the Brandenburg Gate and wondering aloud, how do we beat that? Brokaw's got this. At pivotal moments, Tom got it.